What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. In this video, I want to talk about ventriloquist dummies. You know what a ventriloquist dummy is. They're the little dummy that sits on the man's lap and he sticks his hand up the back of the fucking dummy and he moves the mouth and the eyes and tells the dummy what he's needing to say. It's entertainment. It's funny. I love Jeff Dunham. But that's what a lot of y'all are like. Y'all are like ventriloquist fucking dummies. I made a video this morning and I come back this evening to check the comments and interact with my followers and stuff because I enjoy doing that. And all I'm reading is, well, this YouTuber said this. You're wrong. Do you realize how silly you sound when you comment stupid shit like that? And I'm talking to the ones that are commenting that. I'm not talking to my loyal fan base who uses common sense to figure out what's going on. I'm talking to the ventriloquist dummy who can only say what another YouTuber has said that they like because they feed you what you want to hear. So therefore it must be wrong. Now I brought the evidence this morning. This is a shout out to the Pantheon. Because when I started my channel in December, I would tell everybody this is how I felt about this. This is what I believe this meant. And Pantheon said that was fine, but bring receipts. Prove what you feel. Prove what you think. Proof is in the pudding. But the ventriloquist dummy's going to come and go, Citadel can't be closing down. Citadel can't be bankrupt. Listen, people, I did not say Citadel, period, was being bankrupt. That fund is gone. Your favorite YouTuber can say whatever the fuck they want, but if you, like one person said, and it was a good comment, well, they got like 4 or 5 funds in the UK. Okay, we just took one of their chips from them. They no longer have that ammunition. It's gone. Well, this YouTuber that I really like, and he's much smarter than you, because he lives in a house, and you live in a trailer. Who should take advice from you? Your mama. Your mama. Why? Because I live where I live because I want to live here. Do you realize, people, that all of my bills combined equals some of y'all's electric bills? All of my bills combined is $650. My electric bill is never over $120. Never. So who's smarter? And you have no idea that because a person lives in a 3 or 4 bedroom home, they are the most miserable motherfuckers there are because they're so deep in debt. I own my shit. It's mine, and nobody can take it from me. But my favorite YouTuber, he drives a Tesla. You drive a Lincoln. Some of y'all can be really fucking ridiculous, and I'm not talking to all of y'all. Look down in the comments of the last video that I did, and you'll see who I'm talking to. You'll spot who the ventriloquist dummy is. So, you got a choice, people. You can continue to let motherfuckers run their hand up your back and move your mouth for you, or you can grow the fuck up. Click on that link that I put in the description. Go to the article and read what it says, and you will see what I said was true. That particular fund was going bankrupt. And we took that chip from them. Yeah, but my favorite YouTuber says they just shifting the funds over to another fund. That's fine. But do you realize that they have to pay back all of their investors that are in that fund who don't want to make that trip to the next fund? Some people are going, hold up. I think we're through. You're already down 40%, 47%, 52% for the year. Why should I entrust you with more money and take their shit and go? but your favorite YouTuber says. Just like a fucking ventriloquist dummy. Won't you grow up, get some common sense, think for yourself, and before you comment again, research the topic. Don't fucking tell me what your favorite YouTuber says, because y'all know how I feel about that. And I'm sorry. I love y'all. I am going to be doing some more videos today. I just got to look and see, for example, Lou. I got to look and see what Lou's saying so I can come back and counter what he's fucking saying. A lot of times. I see YouTubers who put out a video. AMC's going to be $100 by Christmas. Well, AMC better be $100 before fucking Christmas. Always, always, always giving you one more month that you need to hold on to. That's your favorite YouTuber. Here, I bring facts. And I got a think tank out of this fucking world in Discord. Mention a topic and boom, I got 10 articles on it like that. So don't step to me or go into my comments. Stay over there on your favorite YouTuber's channel and be dumb, or listen to these things and gain a little common sense, people. Love y'all. Be blessed. I'm looking at what we're going to talk about tonight. I might even go live. Be blessed. See you in the next video. Sorry I had to be so harsh to some of y'all, but you need to grow the hell up and take control of your own mind instead of a YouTuber controlling it for you. And with that, I'll let you go. Love you. Be blessed. See you in the next video.
Cold red, there's been a glitch in the matrix. They out here wildin' and it's too much, I can't take it. Red pill, blue pill, my mind knew they were shaping. Sound the alarm.